The relationship of my speech is about information. Integration of NIC into NPWP. Tech solution for sustainable development. GEM. The relationship between the integration policy of NIC, population identification number, into NPWP. Taxpayer identification number with Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs in Indonesia. Did you know, starting January 1, 2024, Indonesia is implementing a policy of integrating NIC into NPWP. What are the benefits for us and how does it support sustainable development? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I go deeper into discussing the relationship between the integration policy of NIC into NPWP with the SDGs in Indonesia, it will be nice if I introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Adrian Sapanjaitan from the D3 Tax Management Study Program, Faculty of Economic and Business, Universitas Muhammadiyah Sumatera Utara. Number 1. What is the integration of NIC to NPWP? In the past, NIC and NPWP were two different numbers. Now, with the new policy, NIC automatically functions as NPWP for taxpayer. This is done to improve the efficiency of tax administration, broaden the tax base, and encourage tax compliance. Number 2. NIC and NPWP. Benefit for sustainable development. This policy supports several sustainable development goals or SDGs. SDG number 1, no poverty. More optimized tax help fund social assistance, such as BLT and energy subsidies for the poor. SDG 8, decent work and economic growth. Make it easier for MSMEs or UMKM to do tax administration, encourage more formal business, and create a healthy business climate. SDG 16, peace, justice, and strong institution. Improve transparency and fairness in taxation, reduce the potential for tax evasion, and strengthen public trust in government. Number 3, challenge and solution. How can communities play a role? Challenge faced: lack of public awareness about tax obligation. There are still many informal economic sector. There are no tax complaints. Potential data leakage or misuse of personal information. Solution offered: wider socialization so that people understand tax right and obligation. Digitalization of tax service to make it easier and more transparent. Protection of personal data in the tax system. Number 4. Conclusion and call to action. NIC and NPWP integration is a big step towards a fair and more transparent tax. Let's support this policy by becoming obedient taxpayers who are aware of our contribution to Indonesia development. NIC and NPWP integration is not just an administrative change, but a strategic step to increase tax revenue, support SDGs, and accelerate Indonesia development. The integration of NIC into NPWP is not just an administrative system change, but a big step toward more transparent, fair, and efficient taxation. With this policy, we can strengthen development, reduce inequality, and ensure prosperity for all Indonesia. As good citizens, let's support this policy by becoming obedient taxpayer and realize the tax we pay are an investment for the future of the nation. Strong taxes advance Indonesia. Thank you for watching, and let's together realize sustainable development for generations to come. Wassalamualaikum